It's Friday, March 6th. I'm out here in the creek. They're talking a lot of rain next week. I was out here maybe 2 weeks ago and the water was murky. You can kind of see. It was like from there on I couldn't see. So this is where I stopped last time. And I got in the creek right there. I came down, got in, and I've walked maybe 15 seconds. And I think I got a complete one right there. Unless the tip's busted and I just can't tell. Oh, it's a nice one. Yeah, it's complete. Didn't expect that. I was just sitting around the house debating on whether to even go or just wait till next week. Maybe I can come up with something else. If not, it's already Daymaker. What do you think? Yep, we're gonna keep going. Alright. If I find anything else, put it up.